Riders, you already put in the miles. You spend time waxing, polishing, and making sure your bike looks its best. But what if you could completely change your bike's style and personality without spending thousands? That's exactly what East Coast Vinyl Werkz is here to do. These high-quality graphics let you transform your ride for a fraction of what paint jobs cost. We're talking savings of $750 to $3,000, and the results? Absolutely next level. Now, I know what you're thinking. Will this be hard to install? Not at all. This isn't some cheap decal that peels off in a few months. We use premium German engineered vinyl from Oracle for the best durability in the industry, combined with American craftsmanship for the design, testing, printing, and finishing. So you can always expect easy application and a long-lasting, high-quality finish. With just a few simple steps, your bike goes from basic to turning heads in minutes. No special tools, no professional help needed, just a fresh, new look that stands out on the road. And this isn't just about looks, it's about self-expression. Every rider knows that your bike is a part of who you are. The color, the design, the feel, it all tells a story. East Coast Vinyl Werkz understands that. That's why we put months into creating stunning motorcycle murals that resonate with riders across the country. Whether you're a solo rider, part of a club, or just love the open road, these graphics make your bike as unique as you are. The only way to get the real deal is by ordering directly from our website. No middlemen, no knockoffs, top-tier materials, expert craftsmanship, and built to last. So don't settle. Click the link, order now, and give your bike the upgrade it deserves.